Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be using Napkin.ai and I will be guiding you step by step. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so step one, you're going to want to sign up and log in. So head over to Napkin.ai and it will take you to this page right here and you're going to want to click Get Napkin Free. Normally it'll ask you for your Google account or an email, but since I've already have an account, it's just taking me straight through. So once you're in, you're going to want to press plus new napkin. Today I'll be showing you how to draft with AI, so you're going to want to click that. And here it says generate text using AI. So write a prompt to generate text content. The prompt we'll be using today is explain the effects of climate change. You could do whatever you like. This is just the example we're going to use today. So now you want to click continue and it will do the rest for you. So as you can see, rising temperatures, altered precipitation rain patterns, so on, so forth. So now that it's done that, here's where the magic happens. You hover your cursor over the body of text that you want to turn into a visual, and here it's given a little blue lightning bolt. So you click on that and it's going to generate a visual for you. So it's going to give you a few options. So you can choose the style you would like. As you can see, it's given us a bunch. So I think I like this one the best. And now I can even decide what color I want it. I think I like this one. So now you can even change it even further by changing the text, the colors, the opacity, brightness, and even the pattern. Now, if you want to make your entire thing into a visual, you just copy paste and again you press the little blue lightning bolt and then it will generate a visual based on everything. So now it's given us even more visuals to choose from, and I think I like this one the best. And now colors again, this one, and you can even delete the text or you can edit it by typing whatever you need into it. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and took information from it. Thank you for watching. Bye.